Lutan Fyah, welcome to Profile.
Give thanks very much. Blessed.
Fascinating story, and we'll get a chance to talk about some of them. But let me start by just giving sort of highlights package to some of our viewers. So, a reggae artist with a career spanning over 2 decades. You've released 13 albums, recorded over 200 singles, and collaborated with many legends like Sizzla, like Luciano, like Beenie Man. Your 2013 album, Life of a King, and 2019's Longest Liver are fan favorites. Now, when you listen to all of the kind of things that you've accomplished and where you're coming from, what do you think?
I feel blessed to be one of them privileged Jamaican singers, to be recognized and known. People notice me. And then we use the notoriety to go ahead, you know what I mean?
And to do things with it.
Yes, man.
All right, I want to talk a little bit later on about some of the things that you've done, but I want to start from the very beginning because you grew up around music, around a sound system. Take us back to Spanish Town, which is where you grew up.
Okay, Spanish Town, that's right across the old Iron Bridge, you know? Them call it All Road, in a Tamsipen off Sligoville Road. Seeing, we're born in the Spanish Town Hospital. We go to the Greendale Basic School, Spanish Town Primary. Well, the Spanish Town Primary and the Jonathan Grant High School is in the Arta de la Vega, you know. Lutan Fyah was a little footballer, happy go so lucky, always a crack joke, always one ramp around. You know, where I'm from, there's no football field. Yeah, so I have the family them in the De La Vega, so I stopped from about grade 2 in Spanish Town Primary. So I become a citizen of De La Vega. From that time, so it's a to and from every day, Tamsipen to my school, because it's just football and the sound system in my yard now where you got people like Papa San, Dirtsman, Major Worries, Jonathan Wolfman, Lady G, General TK, Monksman, and many others, you know. All my life I've been playing football, you know. Like most of the original coaches in Jamaica know me. You know, I play football at the time when Jamaica was on the way to World Cup, you know.
So this is just before 1998?
Yeah, right, just before. Because I play Manning Cup 94, St. Andrew Technical High School, stats, honor, diligence and service, you know. That's my downtown university. You know, see it. So, yeah, me had the number 10 in my general, and me put it where it figure.
And part of the reason why you were playing football, or who introduced you to football, was your father.
Yeah, my father was a Boys Town fan, you know. So I'm always talking about Diego Garden and Alan Skillcole and all of them, man, there.
But football was really, really the passion, even when you went into high school.
My brother was in Spanish Town Secondary School, good footballer. So, in a them time, you say, next school buy you, stats buy him. So he went to stats up. He's an inspiration to me as a youth, and my brother him always inspire me because him first got through and do it. And I said, why you can't do that? You know, 3 years older than me and thing. So I took it upon myself to say, I go down and stats, you know, because that boy can't play ball like me. And he make the team. So him bigger than me still, but me better than him. So I tell myself still. So I go stats and I said, why you there? I'm interviewed. I said, my brother, you know, coach, I'm good, you know. And the coach said, okay. Them time I was in Jonathan Grant High School, 3rd form. Saying, so one of the day the coach said, yo, send me to play. So he see how I play and like it, you know. So he took me to the principal and I got my bank voucher, pay my school fees. So I got stats 1993 through football. And think my coach is a known man in a Jamaica sports, you know, Charlie Edwards, you know. You know, he was the national coach for Jamaica female, the woman them, you know.
And Stats, by the way, was at that point a school that was doing really, really, really well.
Not really. My year, we never do well.
But I mean, going on to do really well. We win Manning Cup.
Stats won Manning Cup 1987. I played in the next decade. 90s.
So you're at a school now doing the 2 passions. You're still engaging in music. How?
Okay. There was a teacher down at Stats, a kind of known man too, Carl Sewell. That's Dean Sewell, the brother of Dean Sewell. Dean Sewell is our former national football reggae boys. Right back. He went to World Cup. Carl Sewell was a young teacher, you know, so he bounced away in the school, you know, because they also went to Stats. So Cause so I get to realize that this man involved in music somehow. So we quiz him, I'm a little virgin, them we know so I can DJ. So I quiz him, so what your music thing? I say, yeah man, I link with Sugar Mine, you know. Yeah man, man, Sugar Mine at a virgin, you know. So what we and Bada So used to do, lunchtime.
This is Dean's brother.
Yeah, Dean's brother. Carl Sewell, the elder, our boss. Right now, he called me. I feel like he's a big brother. You know what I mean? He was our mentor. When him talk, we listen. Yeah. So, jump in a Bada car and reach on her. Right there, so. Sugar Mine at Youthman Promotion Studio. Them time. Bada hear me sing. Bada say, wow, you have it. You listen to the artists them on the radio. And me I say, yeah man, me Bada and them no Bada. Well, you don't know we are ball and thing. You know what I mean? So now, what happened? Dean Sewell now, he played with Constant Spring, that's Danny Lynn. So when me I got stats, I always tell myself, say, well, Dean are our big ball and Dean play for Spring. So if I feel maybe Spring would give me an opportunity if I'm good enough, you know? So one day I turn up. So Bada and Dean sing.
You just turn up?
Turn up. Nobody ever bring me to Stats, bring me to Hazard United, bring me to anywhere, bring me to music or nothing.
Where does that come from?
It's an inborn thing. All my life, it's like that for me. I'm the middle child, you know. I do the most work in the yard. I me got the shop. I me get the most schooling. And me are the happy go so lucky. I me involved with everything. I me can kill the goat. I me can cook, fix the fence. I me can cook.
I have to go to the break. I want to come back to how you went on to work for, play for Constant Spring FC, as well as how you did just that again in terms of going on to the Gargamel and Buja Bantam. But we have
all the stories connecting, and
all of them.
My life go, you know.
We have to take our first break on Profile. My guest is Lutan Fyah. We're back with you after these messages.
Yes, man.